Okay guys, so we're out here, got all this stuff to pick up. So we got, and all this stuff over here, check it out. All that stuff. So we took a bunch yesterday. Oh dang, I'm gonna hit that car. Went good today. So stay tuned, get stuff picked up, show you how we do it. Show you how we pick up all this junk, get it all in the truck. And we'll get it done out here, beautiful San Diego. It's cold. I can't even hit this car though. Can't open that, son of a bitch. I'm gonna have to move forward. Okay, hold on, just got this left over. That. Oh, scrap right now. So we're gonna get it loaded up and be paid. Done in 2 and 2. Trash, all the scrap, did 2 big loads. Got all the trash picked up over here and over in this area. And tomorrow we'll be coming back, picking up another load. So you never know how many loads you'll get. So keep up the hustle, make some cheddar. If you need anything in the North County, give us a call at thehaulerjunkremoval.com.